Dostal Alley pub and casino. They have Easy Street Casino over here. They have loose slots.
Ooh.
That's what they say, loose slots. Easy Street.
That's what everybody says.
Yeah. We'll see. Oh, that's what Central City looked like in 1870. Mining camps. Wow. And this is Central City. Grocery, liquor, and dispensary. Wanna walk into Easy Street Casino? We're walking this way. Casino entrance. Okay. Want to get a card? Cafe? For food? Here's your sweets. Sorry. Here's your sweets.
I'm feeling it, bro.
Easy Street Casino. It looked big from the outside. It's pretty small. Oh, there is? Yeah. No room to walk around in here. Is there an upstairs? What is up? Nope, section's closed. Yeah, that's it. Deal or no deal? See, more candy. Playing two at once. This upstairs closed. And there's your Easy Street Casino. Look at that, they got drop boxes out here. That's crazy. Good game, good game.